Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something super exciting. I'm going to show you how to make a dish called vachette. Vachette is an East African dish made with flour, milk, and other ingredients. Let's make it. In a standing mixer, add 1 kilogram of flour. Add 1 cup powdered coconut milk, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 packet baking powder, 2 egg, 40 grams butter, 3 tablespoons powdered milk, and finally, I'm pouring in 400 ml of warm milk. Make sure not to dump all the milk at once. Add it slowly while the mixer is running. Knead it until it forms a smooth dough. The dough should be nice and smooth, but don't make it like bread dough. It shouldn't be too soft, and it should stay light. Take the dough out of the mixer. It should look just like what you see in the video. Just a heads up, I didn't put sugar in the dough yet. I'll add it later. Cover the dough and let it rest for about 20 minutes. This gives it time to relax and get ready for the next step. If your dough is too stiff or dry, pour in a bit of water or milk and knead it until it's nice and manageable. Take the dough out of the bowl and lightly sprinkle some flour on your work surface. Put the dough on a floured surface and knead it until it's nice and smooth. Divide the dough into 3 pieces. This makes it much easier to work with. Work with 1 piece of dough at a time and cover the other 2 really well to keep air from getting in. Roll it out to roughly 1 to 4 inch thick. This thickness is perfect so the vachette cook evenly. Cut the rolled out dough into long, even strips. Cut the dough into long strips using a knife, a pizza cutter, or any tool you have that can cut. Cut the long strips into small squares, rectangles, or any shape you prefer. If you want, lightly sprinkle some flour on the cut pieces so they don't stick together. Heat some oil in a deep pan. Be careful, the oil shouldn't be too hot. You want the oil hot enough to fry, but not too hot. Gently add the vachette to the hot oil in small batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them in small batches so they cook evenly and turn a beautiful yellow golden color. Keep an eye on them and stir occasionally so they cook evenly and get that perfect golden yellow color. Give them a stir every now and then, don't forget. Make sure to stir them from time to time so they cook evenly. Using a slotted spoon, lift the vachette from the oil, allowing any excess to drip off. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towels, or place on a metal sieve to soak up any remaining oil. Allow the vachette to cool fully before serving. After they cool down, the vachette are ready to enjoy as is, but we'll keep going and prepare the sugar syrup. Add 1 cup of sugar to a pan, then pour in 1 cup of water, and stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Let it simmer until it thickens slightly, stirring occasionally. The mixture will start bubbling like boiling water, so keep stirring continuously. Once it starts thickening, allow it to boil gently by itself without stirring. Now pour all the fried vachette into the syrup. Then hold the pan on both sides and shake or toss gently. Keep placing the pan on the heat and shaking it this way, and you will notice eventually the syrup will crystallize and form a nice coating on the vachette. When done, turn them out on a plate and let them cool completely. You can then store them in an airtight container to retain their crunchiness. Now sit back and enjoy the crispy goodness of your vachette. Bon appétit! Thank you for joining me. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.